Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do exercise 7.1 of limits. Here limit of a function. See, you have to evaluate this limit. Exercise 1 7.1 question number 1. Limit z tends to minus 3 root of, here limit z tends to minus 3 root of z plus 6 upon z. So इसमें आप डायरेक्ट लिमिट ले सकते हो. डिनोमिनेटर डजंट रिड्यूस टू 0, so we can take limit over here directly. So take limit root of z. So z is tending to what? Minus 3 plus 6 upon minus 3, and it will be equals to root of 6 minus 3, that is 3 upon this minus 3. So you can simplify it. It is minus of 1 upon root 3 will be the answer. Now question number 2. Here limit x tends to minus 3. So remember this formula, limit x tends to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a. This limit is equal to n into a raised to power n minus 1. So limit x tends to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, that is equal to what? N into a raised to power n minus 1. Now let's evaluate this second question. Limit y tends to minus 3. Limit y tends to minus 3, y raised to power 5 plus 243 upon y cube plus 27. See here 243 you can express as 243 means 3 raised to power 5. 3 raised to power 4 is how much? 81. 3 raised to power 5 is 243, and 3 cube is equal to 27. Yes. So this you can write as limit y tends to minus 3, y raised to power 5. So if it is odd power और minus 3 raised to power odd power है, तो ये होगा minus of 243, minus of 243. तो इसे हम लिखेंगे minus of minus 243, yes, upon, see denominator is y cube minus of minus 27, and this minus 3 raised to power 3 we will write as minus 27. So this is equal to limit y tends to minus 3, y tends to minus 3, y raised to power 5 minus, see this minus 243, minus 243 we will write as minus 3 raised to power 5. Divide numerator and denominator by y minus of minus 3, मतलब y plus 3, and denominator is y cube minus this minus 27, इसके बदले हम लिखेंगे माइनस ऑफ 3 क्यूब, और इसको भी हम डिवाइड करेंगे y माइनस ऑफ माइनस 3, मतलब y प्लस 3. Yes. So we are dividing numerator and denominator by y plus 3, मतलब y माइनस ऑफ माइनस 3. यहाँ पे भी हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं y माइनस ऑफ माइनस 3, मतलब y plus 3. So this will be equal to limit of numerator, see fx upon gx. Here limit of fx upon gx is equal to limit of fx upon limit of gx quotient. Okay, so limit of quotient is quotient of their limits. So it will be limit y tends to minus 3 of y raised to power 5 minus of minus 3 raised to power 5 upon y minus of minus 3 and upon whole upon limit y tends to minus 3 of y cube minus of minus 3 cube ये upon y minus of minus 3. We apply now formula limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a n into a raised to power n minus 1. So that see this is what n over here और ये a होगा. So this will be equal to n into मतलब 5 into minus 3 raised to power 5 minus 1 n minus 1 or denominator here n is equal to what 3 into minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 1. So what will be this 5 upon 3 into minus 3 raised to power 4 upon minus 3 raised to power 2. This will be equal to this will be equal to 5 upon 3 into minus 3 raised to power 4 upon minus 3 square. तो ये होगा minus 3 raised to power 2 only. ये 2 और ये 4 न्यूमरेटर में raised to power 4 raised to power 2. It is 5 into minus 3 square is 9 upon 3. So ये cancel होके 5 into 3 आएगा, which is 15 is the answer. Yes. So this limit is what 15. Next question. Here limit z tends to minus 5 limit z tends to minus 5 1 by z plus 1 by 5 1 by z plus 1 by 5 upon z plus 5. Let's evaluate this limit. Here LCM we will take. What will be the LCM? Z into 5 will be the LCM. 5 plus z, 5 plus z, and whole divided by z plus 5. Whole divided by z plus 5. So in all, this denominator will be z into 5 into z plus 5. What is the limit? Limit is what? Z tends to minus 5. This will be equal to limit z tends to minus 5, z plus 5 upon z plus 5 into ये 1 अपॉन z इंटू 5 या 5 इंटू z into z. Now this z plus 5 is getting cancelled over here because z plus 5 is not equal to 0 as z is tending to minus 5. Then what is left over here, limit z tends to minus 5, 1 upon 5 into z, which is 1 upon 5. Z is tending to what? Minus 5. So it is 1 upon 25 minus. So the answer is this, minus of 1 upon 25. Done. Next is question number 2. Question number 2, limit x tends to minus x tends to 3. See, directly we will take limit over here क्योंकि denominator is not going to reduce to 0, तो हम direct limit ले सकते हैं. So here first question, that is question number 2. Question number 2, first sub question, limit x tends to 3, limit x tends to 3, square root of 2x plus 6 upon x. So we simply take the limit over here. इसमें लिमिट लेना है आपको 2 into limit x is tending to what? 3 plus 6 upon x is tending to 3. This is equal to root of, this is 6 plus 6, it is 12 upon 3. इसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 into 3 upon 3. This will be 2 root 3 upon 3, or 2 by root 3 also you can write. Next question is limit x tends to 2. Here question number 2, limit x tends to 2. Here x raised to power minus 3 minus 2 raised to power minus 3 upon x minus 2, x minus 2. So we apply over here formula, limit x tends to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, that is equal to what? n into a raised to power n minus 1. So what is n over here? n है minus 3. So this will be equal to limit x tends to 2. Yes, directly we will apply the formula here, minus 3 into 2 raised to power minus 3 minus 1. This is minus 3 into 2 raised to power minus 4, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, which is minus 3 upon, this will goes to denominator, 2 raised to power 4 आएगा, which is minus 3 upon 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So it is minus 3 upon 16. Next question, third question is question number 3. Limit x tends to 5, x cube minus 125 upon x to the power 5 minus 3125. We know 5 cube is equal to what? 125, or 5 raised to power 4 625. इसको अगर 5 से आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं दोनों साइड, तो 5 raised to power 5 become, okay, multiplication will be 3125. Remember this, 3125 is 5 raised to power 5. This is equal to limit x tends to 5. सबसे पहले हम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड करेंगे x माइनस 5 से, हम डिवाइड करेंगे. दिस इज x क्यूब माइनस 125 इज 5 क्यूब. वी विल डिवाइड बाय x माइनस 5. डिनोमिनेटर इज x to the power 5 minus 3125 is 5 raised to power 5 upon x minus 5. Now we will take limit of fx upon gx. is limit of fx मतलब limit x tends to 5 of x cube minus 5 cube upon x minus 5, or then denominator limit x tends to 5 of x to the power 5 minus 5 to the power 5 upon x minus 5. Yes. Now we use formula here. Limit x tends to x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, that is equal to what? n into a raised to power n minus 1. So here n is this और a is this. a जो है 5 है. So apply formula over here. This will be equal to n. n मतलब 3 है. a is 5 raised to power what? n minus 1 मतलब 3 minus 1. Then denominator यहाँ पर n 5 है, 5 और a भी 5 है. 5 raised to power n minus 1 मतलब 5 minus 1. So this gives us 3 into 5 raised to power 3 minus 1 मतलब square. Here 5 into 5 raised to power 5 minus 1, that is raised to power how much? 4. This will be equal to 3 upon 5. ये 5 स्क्वायर और ये 5 raised to power 4, तो ये 2 होगा, that is 1 upon 5 square. Okay, that will be 3 upon 5 into 5 square is 5 cube, and it is equal to how much? 125. So 3 upon 125 will be the answer. Then next question is this. Here limit x tends to 1. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1, x रेज टू पावर 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to x cube minus a cube upon x minus a. So find all possible value of a. Let's find, see question number 4, limit x tends to 1, x raised to power 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1. What is given here? It is limit x tends to a, x cube, a cube upon x minus a. So this 1 we will write as 1 raised to power 4. So it is limit x tends to 1, x raised to power 4 minus 1 को आप लिख सकते 1 raised to power 4 upon x minus 1. 1 raised to power whatever it is 1. This is limit x tends to a, x raised to power 3 मतलब x cube minus a cube upon x minus a. Apply formula over here. So this will be 4 into 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 formula, n into a raised to power n minus 1. यहाँ पे n क्या है? What is n over here? 3. 3 into a raised to power 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. So what is this? 4, 1 raised to power whatever it is 1. Here 3 into a square आएगा, 3 minus 1. Therefore you will get a square is equal to what? 4 upon 3. ये denominator में आएगा, and therefore you are getting a is equal to what? Plus minus. Therefore a is equal to what? Plus minus 2 upon square root of this 3, square root 3. We will do now next question, that is question number 3. We evaluate this limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1 of x plus x square plus x cube plus up to x raised to power n minus n and whole upon x minus 1 upon x minus 1. हाँ, तो इस n को जो है, n को आप n we can express as 1 plus 1 plus up to n times, up to n times. अगर n times हम 1 को ऐड करेंगे so that will give us n. So it is limit x tends to 1 of x plus x square plus x cube plus up to x raised to power n minus 1 को हम ऐड करेंगे n number of times. So that will give us n. And whole divided by x minus 1. Now we'll group, ये number of terms n है, first term, second term, third term, nth term, ये भी number of times n times है, तो हर एक को हम ग्रुप करेंगे 1 के साथ. So it will be limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1 of x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x cube minus 1 plus up to x raised to power n minus 1 and upon x minus 1. So again we simplify it, इसको हम आगे simplify करते हैं. So it is limit x tends to 1 of x minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 x cube minus 1 upon x minus 1, then it will be plus up to what, x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Now remember, limit x tends to 1 x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1 x रेज़ टू पावर n, 1 को आप लिखेंगे 1 रेज़ टू पावर n अपॉन x minus 1. दिस विल बी n into 1 रेज़ टू पावर n minus 1. So 1 raised to power whatever it will be 1. So ये आंसर आएगा n. So in short, limit x tends to 1 x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1, that is equal to what, n. यहाँ पर n कितना है 1, तो इसका लिमिट होगा 1. हियर n कितना है 2, तो इसका लिमिट होगा 2. यहाँ पर n कितना है 3, तो इसका लिमिट होगा 3. और हियर लिमिट विल बी n. So instead of evaluating each limit, you can directly apply this for result over here, and it will be equal to what, limit x tends to 1. Okay, x raised to power 1 minus 1 upon, sorry, x minus 1 है. So all this limit we can write as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. Now this summation is 1 to n. Okay, remember this formula, summation r, where r is equal to 1 to n is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, and this summation is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So remember this formula, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, that is equal to what, n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is the answer. N into n plus 1 upon 2 will be the answer. Okay, so n into n plus 1 upon 2 will be the answer of this question. Next question. Limit x tends to 7. See here, limit x tends to 7 of cube root of x, cube root of 7. दूसरे ब्रैकेट में क्या है, क्यूब रूट ऑफ x प्लस क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 upon what, x minus 7. Look at this numerator, a minus b और a plus b के फॉर्म में है. So a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square. So it will be cube root of x square minus cube root of 7 square. A minus b into a plus b, that is equal to what? A square minus b square upon x minus 7. Now cube root of x, what we will write? It is x raised to power 1 by 3. This will be limit x tends to 7 of limit x raised to power x tends to 7 of ये x raised to power 1 by 3 square, because it is cube root. Cube root of 7 will write 7 raised to power 1 by 3 and its square upon x minus 7. This is equal to limit x tends to 7 of x minus 7. It is x raised to power what? 2 by 3 minus 7 raised to power what? 2 by 3. That is, यहाँ पर n जो है n will be equal to what? n is equal to 2 by 3 और a कितना है? 7 है. a है 7. So इसका लिमिट होगा n, that is 2 by 3. a is 7. n into a raised to power n minus 1, मतलब 2 by 3 minus 1. This is 2 by 3, 7 raised to power 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 3. See here, 2 by 3 minus 1, it is LCM is 3, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, minus 1 upon 3. That we can write as 2 upon 3, and this cube root of 7 denominator में आप लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because it is negative power. The next question is question number 3. Limit x tends to, here question number 3 is limit x tends to 5 x raised to power 4, sorry, k, x raised to power k minus 5 raised to power k upon x minus 5. This limit is equal to what? 500. You have to find value of k. k की value find करना है. So directly we will write the form, that is limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n. यहाँ पर आपका n जो है k है और a क्या है? 5. So left hand side में we use formula, okay, k, that is n into a raised to power, मतलब 5 raised to power n minus 1, k minus 1, which is equal to 500. So 500 को हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है 5 into 100. This is 5 into 25 into 4. 5 into 25 gives 125 into 4. Therefore, we have k into 5 raised to power k minus 1 is equal to 4 into ये 125 is what? 5 cube, मतलब इसे हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं k इंटू 5 पावर k माइनस 1 4 इंटू 5 पावर 3 मतलब 4 माइनस 1। अब इसको कंपेयर करो, दोनों साइड को आप कंपेयर करेंगे तो यहाँ पर हम k को लिख सकते हैं 4, therefore k must be equal to what? 4. We are interested to know value of k. तो k का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 4. Here the question number 4. Question number 4 is limit x tends to 0. Question number 4, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x raised to power 8 minus 1 upon 1 minus x square minus 1. Here we put 1 minus x is equal to say y. Therefore as यहाँ पर x is approaching to 0, as x is tending to 0, यहाँ पे अगर 0 रखते हैं तो ये 1 आएगा, y is tending to what? 1. Now in place of this 1 minus x we put y. Therefore our limit L is equal to what? Limit y tends to 1 of this 1 minus x is y raised to power 8 minus 1 y square minus 1. डिनोमिनेटर को आप फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, लिमिट y टेंड्स टू 1 y रेज़ टू पावर 8 माइनस 1, इसको हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे, y माइनस 1 आएगा और इनटू y प्लस 1, y प्लस 1 थोड़ा साइड में लिखेंगे, इनटू y प्लस 1. अब इसका लिमिट जो है, हियर लिमिट ऑफ दिस will be, ये 8 है और 1 है, so as earlier we discussed it is 8, इसका लिमिट आएगा 8 और into 1 upon, here take limit 1 plus 1, that will be 8 upon 2 which is 4. So remember limit x tends to 1 of x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1, ये होता है n. Earlier we proved this. So वैसे limit y tends to 1, y raised to power 8 minus 1 upon y minus 1, that is equal to 8. Here we take limit 1 upon y is tending to 1, so 1 plus 1 आएगा, which gives us 4. 8 upon 2, 4. Then this question, that is question number 5. Here question number 5 is limit x tends to 0. Here question number 5 is limit x tends to 0 of, denominator में x है, it is cube root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 plus x है. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 cube root of 1 plus x we will write as 1 plus x raised to power 1 by 3. ये 1 plus x raised to power 1 by 2 लिख सकते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट है तो, अपॉन x प्लस वन माइनस वन लिख सकते हैं हम, x को डिनोमिनेटर में x है, दैट वी राइट x प्लस वन माइनस वन. Then we put 1 plus x is equal to what? Y. So as or x is tending to 0, y is tending to what? X is tending to 0, y is tending to 1. This is limit y tends to 1 of 1 plus x, that is y, raised to power 1 upon 3. 1 plus x is y raised to power 1 upon 2. This 1 plus x, that is equal to y, so it is y minus 1. Y minus 1. Then subtract and add 1 in the numerator. Limit y tends to 1 of y raised to power 1 by 3 minus 1 or plus 1, and it is minus of y raised to power 1 upon 2 upon y minus 1. ये लास्ट टू टर्म में से आप माइनस साइन कॉमन ले सकते हैं. लिमिट y टेंड्स टू 1, y raised to power 1 by 3 minus 1 upon y minus 1. यहाँ से हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं ये दो टर्म में से. So what you will get? Y raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 upon y minus 1. Now again we use formula limit x tends to 1, x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. What is this formula? It is n. तो यहाँ पर n जो है 1 by 3 है, यहाँ पर n 1 by 2 है. This limit is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, और इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, LCM 6, 2 minus 3 आएगा, that is minus of 1 upon 6 is the answer. So yes dear students, in this video we have completed exercise 7.1 का question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 के first 5 questions complete किए हैं. So remaining questions we do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.